Usually, for a glam makeup, you need a lot of tools, layering, blending of eyeshadows that takes ages to be done. But today, I'm going to show you how you can get a glam eye makeup done without putting in much effort or tools or blending or any of those advanced techniques. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'm first priming my lids with the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and I'm setting it with Sugar's banana powder using my fingers as we're not using any tools in this tutorial. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury's Instant Look of Love palette in the variant Glowing Beauty and the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics. I'm first saturating my entire lid with the Charlotte Tilbury's Eyes to Mesmerize eyeshadow in the variant Star Gold using my fingers. Using my fingers again, I'm setting it with this very fine shimmery lid topper. Using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada, I'm lining my top lash line. And then I'm smudging it with this charcoal eyeshadow using a Q-tip. Very quickly, I'll be revealing the tape and clean up underneath my eyes with some concealer. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this bright gold shade with a Q-tip. For my waterline, I'm again using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. And I'm smudging it again using the charcoal eyeshadow with the Q-tip. Using the same Q-tip, I'm dipping into the bronzer shade and I'm smudging the black eyeshadow into my lower lash line. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara, and this mascara is from Mars. And for falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. For the lip, I have outlined with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade Pioneer, and I'm filling the rest of the lip with the shade In Vogue by Faces Canada. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something from it, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.